Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I hope you are doing okay. Today, we are going to learn more about different animals. We can describe animals according to their size. There are big animals and there are small animals. Also, depending on where they live. Some animals live in water, some in land, and there are others that live in water and land, or others that live in both air and land. We can group animals according to the type of covering too. For example, some have fur, others have feathers, other animals like humans have skin, some animals have scales, and others a protective shell. Additionally, can describe animals according to the way they move: walk, run, fly, hop, or crawl. So, we have a lot of things to learn about animals. Bye bye, have fun!